When using detergent pods, it's best to place them in the cylinder as opposed to loading them into the soap drawer. Load the laundry. Close the loading door. Open the soap drawer, determine the proper compartment, and add detergent, bleach, and/or softener. Press the power button to turn the washer on. Set the cycle, selections, options, and press the start/pause button to start the cycle. When the cycle ends and the door unlocks, remove the laundry. Load the laundry into the dryer. Close the loading door. Press the power button to turn the dryer on. Set the cycle, selections, and options, and press the start/pause button to begin the cycle. When the cycle is complete, remove the laundry.